Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for affordable anniversary gifts that still feel thoughtful and meaningful, this video is for you. Today, we're sharing 20 amazing anniversary gift ideas under $20 that are budget-friendly, creative, and perfect for making your partner feel special without overspending. Let's get started. Number 1. Personalized coffee mug. A simple mug with names or romantic quotes makes a thoughtful gift. Number 2. Scented candle set. Perfect for creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. Number 3. Customized keychain. Affordable, practical, and meaningful for everyday use. Number 4. Mini photo album. Fill it with favorite memories and special moments together. Number 5. Cozy socks set. Comfortable and cute for relaxing at home. Number 6. Handmade greeting card. A heartfelt handwritten message always feels personal. Number 7. Decorative LED lights. Great for creating a romantic room setup. Number 8. Small indoor plant. A symbol of love, growth, and long-lasting relationships. Number 9. Personalized phone case. Add a favorite photo or meaningful design. Number 10. Chocolate gift box. A sweet anniversary surprise that never goes out of style. Number 11. Couple matching bracelets. Simple accessories that symbolize connection. Number 12. Cute pillow cover. A cozy decorative gift with romantic text or patterns. Number 13. Customized notebook or journal. Perfect for writing memories, goals, or love notes. Number 14. Mini self-care basket. Includes skincare items, candles, and relaxing essentials. Number 15. Photo frame. A beautiful frame for displaying special memories together. Number 16. Personalized bookmark. A thoughtful gift for book lovers. Number 17. DIY memory jar. Fill it with love notes and happy memories. Number 18. Couple matching keychains. Affordable but meaningful keepsakes. Number 19. Small desk decor item. Cute decorations for workspaces or bedside tables. And finally, number 20. Homemade dessert surprise. Bake cookies, cupcakes, or a simple dessert for a sweet anniversary celebration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.